Okay, this is the electric bike we just finished making, and we were trying it today. Feels really good. It's got a 1500-watt engine, which the kit, we bought a kit and we replaced this wheel right here. Okay, so in this kit we receive a wheel with the engine, and then we receive the computer stuff. It's inside here. The wires, we just pass the wires from this engine all the way going here to the computer. It's quick connectors, it doesn't take a lot of time. So as we said, the kit comes with these levelers, so you remove the old ones and you put the new ones, so you will have an electric side. So once you push the brake, it's actually deactivate the engine. Okay, on this side same thing for the brake leveler, and this comes with the kit. This is the power button, how you turn it on, and this is just exactly like acceleration. The handle accelerates just like the regular motorcycle stuff. Okay, so this is all the stuff that comes with the kit: the handles, the brake handles, and the wiring. The computer is down here, and the only thing you gotta buy separately is the battery. Okay, for the battery I bought this kind of batteries that comes out automatically on this rack. So it comes on the rack, you just install it. Installation, you just they give you all the bolts and everything to install this, and the battery actually slides here and you can lock it and unlock it. This is the power button. Once you push that, you have a tail light that comes with the battery. Okay, and once that button is on, now you can turn on this one, and if you accelerate it will definitely move. So this is the whole thing. So you get everything. You just need to install the whole thing. It took me about 2 hours and a half or 3 hours, but I am a mechanic, so it may take you longer than that if you're not a handyman. But it is doable. Very nice kit, 1500 watts, and very powerful. Actually, the speed I get to 55 mile per hour, 55 kilometer per hour. So probably that's around 35 mile or so. Uh, Now I'm far from the house, probably 6 miles, and the battery charge is still at full after 6 miles of driving this. That's all what it is. Okay, this is the electric bike, and let's go to see some footage. And thank you so much for watching. See you next video. The battery, you can actually, it comes with the keys, you can open and then you take it off. You take it off, you take it home and charge it. Alright, that's what it is. Alright, now we are back at home. We did actually 19 miles today. From battery was full. Right now we're missing one bar after 19 miles, which is good. It's 23 kilometer, which it's around 19 miles, and the highest speed we reached, it was 55 kilometer per hour. I don't know, with miles probably is 35 mile or something like that, 35 mile per hour. So overall this kit is really good, I like it, and now this bike have a lot of use, will have a lot of use. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in next video inshallah.